गन्ने का जूस, बड़ा गिलास 20 रुपए का, छोटा गिलास 10 रुपए का। इधर इधर चले आइए।
ये वायरल वीडियो तो आपने देखा ही होगा, बट क्या आपको पता है गन्ने के जूस सिर्फ एक टेस्टी स्ट्रीट साइड ड्रिंक नहीं है? इट्स अ पावर हाउस ऑफ हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स। लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन। Number 1. Instant energy boost. Sugarcane juice is a natural source of sucrose, which provides an immediate energy boost. Unlike processed sugar, it releases energy gradually, keeping you active for longer. Athletes and people in hot climates often drink it to prevent fatigue and maintain stamina. Number 2. Aids Digestion. The juice is alkaline in nature, which helps balance stomach acidity and prevent digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. It also contains fiber, which aids in smooth bowel movements and gut health. Number 3. Supports kidney and liver health. Sugarcane juice acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the kidneys. It increases urine production, reducing the risk of kidney stones and infections. It is also highly recommended for jaundice patients because it replenishes lost nutrients and supports liver function. Number 4. Boost immunity and skin health. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, sugarcane juice strengthens the immunity system, helping the body fight infections. It also enhances collagen production, keeping skin hydrated, youthful, and acne-free. Number 5. Promotes healthy weight gain. For people struggling to gain weight, sugarcane juice is a healthy option. It provides natural carbohydrates and essential nutrients without unhealthy fats or processed sugars, supporting healthy weight gain. So next time you're looking for a refreshing healthy drink, skip the artificial stuff and go for nature's best ganne ke juice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.